Hello guys, welcome to the another video of AC Tech channel. In today's video, I will explain you how to fetch Facebook to its basic version. Well, it is so quick and simple, so kindly watch the video till end. If you will skip it, you might get confused. So let's get started. First step is to open your Chrome. Now after opening Chrome, second step is to search. In your search bar, MBASIC Now you can see I have written MBASIC. Oh sorry, the spelling is wrong. So I have written MBASIC. There is option login to Facebook. You just have to click on this option. Here you have to enter your password. So after entering your password, you can see it will take a few time. Now this is the old version of your Facebook that have been opened. If there is no app downloaded in your phone, then it will generally simply open on your Chrome. But if you have app, so it will simply open on your app. So hope you find the solution of your problem and you like the video. Thank you.